Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best SSC coaching in your city, Noida? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city, Noida. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus Academy. Plutus Academy is one of the largest growing online coaching class in India. Study materials and video classes are best which this institute provides. Further, Plutus Academy provides best and updated study material to the students. It provides coaching which is available with recorded lectures and video facilities. Plutus Academy has experts and well-experienced faculty. In addition to this, online test series provided by the Academy is completely a best test series. At rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their needs. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Career Power Institute. This institute has immense experience in this field and a reputed one in the market. Teachers are highly qualified and provides knowledge to the students for their better future. Moreover, records of the students makes this institution's reputation more. Okay friends, now let us talk about their contact details. The address of the institute is 2nd floor, Veervati Palace, Bhoja Market, Sector 27, Noida, Uttar Pradesh 201301. Their contact number is 0875 0505022 and the email ID is info@sscpower.in. Okay, now let us talk about their website and the fee structure. So the website of the institute is www.sscpower.in and the fee structure is 10,000 to rupees 14,000. It varies in this range. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Time Institute, that is Trimfield Institute of Management Education. As you all know about this coaching center, it is reputed in the market for every coaching. The reason behind this is that it has highly qualified teachers as well as the staff also. Teachers teach the students in a very friendly manner in which students feel comfortable. Okay, now let us talk about the contact details and the other details. The address of Time Institute is 320 2nd floor, Bhagwan Sahai Complex, Naya Bains, Main Road, Sector 15, above Central Bank of India, Noida, Uttar Pradesh 201301. The contact number is 0120 457 2554. Okay friends, now let us talk about their email ID, website and the fee structure. So the email ID is time.noida@timeforeducation.com and their website is www.timeforeducation.com. So the fee structure varies from rupees 12,000 to rupees 14,000. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Career Launcher Institute in Noida. This coaching center has made record by the passing out batch of the students that had cleared the SSC in their first attempt. The main thing is that they provide quality of time and study material both. In addition to this, they make students feel comfortable. Although it has always been known for CAT exams preparation, but in last decade, Career Launcher put forward its feet in SSC preparations and then entered into banking also. Okay, now let us talk about the contact and the other details. The address of the institute is C30/3 near Kidzi School, Sector 62, Noida. Their mobile number is 0120 647 9666. Now friends, let us talk about their email ID, website and the fee structure. The email ID is clnoida@gmail.com and the website is www.careerlauncher.com. Okay, so the fee structure varies from rupees 12,000 to rupees 14,000. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city, Noida. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.